Do you want to learn how to make a DIY projector? If so, keep on watching. So the things you're going to need are probably things that you already have in your house. You're going to need a shoebox, a magnifying glass. I got the magnifying glass for $1 at the dollar store, and it works great. You're going to need some black paint, as well as a pen and an X-Acto knife. Let's get started. Start off by tracing your magnifying glass. Next, take an X-Acto knife and cut out your outline. Next, poke it out. Now paint your box black. Now stick the magnifying glass into the hole we cut. Now switch your phone's brightness and lock the rotation. Placing your phone in the box, make sure it's backwards and also play around with the angles by moving it back and forth. And this is what the end result looks like. Now with that end result, it actually looks better in person than it does when you're filming what it actually looks like. I was using my Canon T5i to film it, as well as when I was trying to film it with an iPhone. The quality on the phone did not look good, where in person it was much better. Now it's not 4K or anything, but it was better that you could actually see colors poking through. Also, another tip that might help, to make your photo or video or whatever you're trying to project be a little bit more vibrant or show up a little bit more, go to your Photos app on your phone and go to Edit, where you edit the brightness, contrast, and all that stuff. Change the brightness and make it a little bit more brighter, as well as add more saturation and vibrance to your photo or video, and that will help the video or photo that you're trying to project look a little bit better, as well as you can sharpen the image as well. Now what I do is I will edit it, then I'll screenshot it or save it, and then I'll go back to the part that I edited and do it again and do it till what works. And so it helps. When I was testing it out, I noticed a big difference, and so that's one of the things that you can make it look a lot more vibrant. So that is how I made a DIY projector. I hope you liked this video, and I hope that it was useful for you and it helped you if you decided that you wanted to do this. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos.